Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an Artist Loft 18 by 24 inch canvas, stretched, pre-primed with a few layers of white paint. This is Modern Masters Venetian Blue. And I'm just going to add a few colors and swipe them around for a base layer. This is Decor Silver, Iridescent Silver. This is Red Violet. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of Frosted Berry in there just to make it move around more easily. A little Dancing Fuchsia. Some Titanium White from Vivid Intense. And that's where I'm going to start. I'll add black and white as I go, probably. And other colors are coming down the line, I suspect. I have a small window of opportunity to do something before I have an errand to run. So this is what I'm doing with it. This is my OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula. I didn't realize I had enough paint already. And I'm trying to figure out what color I want to add next. Or if I want to put a cell activator in there, which I'm really tempted to do right now. Because I can. I don't want to go too far. I think I'm going to use some Dancing Fuchsia cell activator. I also want some of this Snapdragon. Right now, before I do that. I'm feeling some turquoise in my future. Okay, Dancing Fuchsia, coming right up. Dancing Fuchsia cell activator, and my cell activators are made with Australian Floetrol. I just eradicated all my cells that I made. Darn. Oh, there's still some little ones. Being called to Perfect Indigo, which may be followed by some Midnight Shadow. And I'm planning on letting myself add white after the fact. Well, that wasn't as dramatic as I was hoping it was going to be, which is okay because the Perfect Indigo might be. I kind of want some red, and I think that red is going to be Rhapsody Rose. Just get the call to green, which is really weird. But I'm not going to do it at the same time. It's reminding me more and more of water. And I want pink now. And that pink will be tickled pink. With other colors, obviously. Alright, I'm going to try some of this Perfect Peacock, if it'll come out. I hope I don't dislike it. Darn it, I just did that. Got rid of that batch of cells again. Alright, that's going to be joined by some frozen, I believe. Which might need a shake. I like that. I like that a lot. Enough to put it somewhere else even. Frozen is an amazing color. I still want black. I still want more frozen. I think it stole the show. I was thinking about water earlier. I guess you could probably tell. More red violet, a little more dancing fuchsia. I still want some more cell activator. But I'm not ready for it yet. That canvasy texture. Clean my spatula off. That's better. Okay, where am I going with this? I think I'm going to use some more Perfect Indigo. For lack of wanting to not, I don't want to use black. Yet, anyway. A little more Dancing Fuchsia. That did not really turn out like I anticipated, but that's okay because I'll figure it out. I kind of wanted to use a little bit of light blue. I've got some Oriental blue. The silver sort of disappeared. I got another blue. I've got another Mystical Mystique. Yeah. Probably use more of that yet. Kind of wanted to put a little more white back in, but I haven't got to that point yet. That might have been a lot too much. I think I'm going to add some indigo teal to that. Not sure how that's going to work. Maybe it was a risk. Maybe not. I didn't put any white pearl in, and I kind of want to do that. Not that it'll be white pearl after I finish with it. I still want some black. I seem to have gotten rid of most of my silver, so I'm going to try and add some of that back in. Kind of want some green. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Am I going to do it? Am I going to add some black? I guess I am. More cell activator. Okay, so if I'm going to play with texture, I should probably think about doing that now. So I am going to grab my little cake decorating tool. I've got a couple of them, one with a smaller and one with a bigger tooth. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire an artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.